I-95 express lanes are coming this fall. Let's go check out the latest on the lanes. So we're driving on the southbound HOV lanes coming out of Washington, D.C., and this is the ramp you're going to want to take to get back to those southbound regular lanes. Why? Because the ramp about a mile after this is actually going to close right around June. So if you're a driver on these HOV lanes going south and you say, hey, I want to get back to the regular lanes, this is the ramp you're going to want to take right here near Boundary Channel Drive. Merge over to the right here, and it's going to put me back into these southbound regular lanes just under a mile or so before the exit that I might normally take a little farther down the road. Now, if you miss this exit, in the morning when the lanes are headed northbound, you're going to have to get off right here at Eads Street in the Pentagon. In the evening, if you miss that exit back there, you still want to get off here at Eads Street so you can get back on the regular lanes using Army-Navy Drive. Right here, you'll see the ramp that's going to close. This ramp today takes drivers from these southbound HOV lanes to the southbound regular lanes just past the Pentagon. To continue in the HOV lanes going south, coming from Washington, D.C., just stay straight ahead. If you visit the website, you're going to find maps, videos, lots of helpful tools to get you ready for this change coming in June.